In today's video, I'll show you how to connect N8n with WhatsApp in just 5 minutes. So you can automate messages, alerts, and workflows with ease. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official N8n website. This is your central hub for building automations. Click Sign in to access your account or sign up if you're new. Once you're inside your N8n dashboard, you're ready to begin. Before jumping into N8n, make sure you've set up a WhatsApp business account through Meta for developers. This step is essential for integration. Inside your Meta developer dashboard, create a new app linked to WhatsApp. Once your app is set up, you'll find two important details: your access token and WhatsApp business account ID. Copy these and keep them safe. You'll need them shortly. Now, head back to your N8n workspace and click Create Workflow. This will be your automation canvas. From the left panel, search for and add the WhatsApp node, either send message or receive message, depending on what you want to automate. Next, open settings in N8n and go to the credentials section. Click Add Credential and select WhatsApp Meta API from the list. Here, you'll paste your access token and business account ID from Meta. Save your credentials once entered. Finally, connect your WhatsApp node to the workflow and configure the message details, like the recipient's number and message content. Once everything looks good, activate your workflow. And how is strategy thus? Connect N8n with WhatsApp. You can now send automated messages, notifications, or customer updates directly through WhatsApp. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick automation guides. Happy automating!